Prior to integrating with Contractor Foreman, it is important that current projects in QuickBooks Online are currently set up as a subcustomer or already in the Projects module. Eventually, all subcustomers must be converted to the Projects module regardless of where they start. I will discuss this in more detail shortly. During the integration process, current ongoing projects in both systems can be linked. This will be required if you are needing to transfer previous transactions completed prior to the integration or if adding new transactions going forward. Contractor Foreman only recognizes subcustomers or projects in QuickBooks as equal to the project in Contractor Foreman. Therefore, all current transactions must also be assigned to the subcustomer level or under the Projects module to link and sync to Contractor Foreman. Any transactions under a first-tier customer will need to be converted to the subcustomer level to match up to Contractor Foreman. Please note that any third-tier customers in QuickBooks will not sync or link to Contractor Foreman. If you have any third-tier customers, then the second and third tier must be combined to sync with Contractor Foreman. As mentioned earlier, all subcustomers created will need to be converted to projects in QuickBooks. A recent update within QuickBooks Online has opened the Projects module to now allow syncing with Contractor Foreman projects. However, after a project in Contractor Foreman has been created, it will still sync to QuickBooks Online as a subcustomer. You will then need to convert it to the Projects module in QuickBooks. This conversion is important for a couple of reasons. At the time that QuickBooks opened its Projects module to sync with third-party integrations, QuickBooks also created another system rule. This rule is that any expenses or bills created in QuickBooks or sync into QuickBooks from another program that are still connected to a subcustomer, which again was always the projects before the update took place, will automatically mark it as a billable expense regardless of project type. This, of course, could cause problems for anyone doing a project other than time and material type projects. Another reason this is important is that the reporting in the Projects module is much better. To create comparison reports between Contractor Foreman and QuickBooks Online to convert a subcustomer to a project in the Projects module, you will need to go to the Projects module in QuickBooks Online. Then under the Create New Project button drop-down arrow, it will say Convert from Subcustomer. Select the subcustomer or project that came over from Contractor Foreman. Then select the current project status of In Progress or Completed on the far right and select Convert. Once this step is done, everything for this project going forward will sync between projects in both systems. Also, if you have a lot of old subcustomers already in the Convert from Subcustomer screen, then go ahead and convert them, but keep status as completed so it will file these away and clear out that screen for new projects to move over. This will prevent you from having to sort through old projects to find the new ones that sync from Contractor Foreman. If you accidentally select Completed on a project that is not completed, this will not mark the project completed in Contractor Foreman. In addition, any transactions that are tied to these subcustomers prior to the conversion will convert to the project as well. No need to worry about financials changing either. This conversion doesn't affect any financials.